Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog of the Martin family.
And today we are gonna be making
a
turkey cupcakes.
Now, before everything starts, don't forget
To subscribe,
like,
share, and turn on the notifications.
because together we are
A big family. Woo! So we have 3 eggs. We have a bowl, obviously. We have it's like it's like you spread butter with it. And we have 2 spoons. We have gloves. We have frosting. And we have this decorating kit.
But the most important
Is the flour. Woo! And also the oil, a whisk, a measuring cup, napkins, and also these cupcake holders.
And what is this?
The icing, orange icing, and this is the vanilla.
Okay,
And now let's start!
I can't believe we said that at the same time.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
All right, now we're gonna open this up. Yay! The cake batter. I'm opening a gift. This is just as hard as making the apple pie as well. I opened it. Now let me put it in. It smells so good. It's making me hungry already. It's making me hungry for this delicious dessert that is perfect for any type of holiday, for fall, or the holidays. All right, now let's put it in. Now we need is a half cup of oil, veggie oil. Now we need is 3 huevos, 3 eggs. It feels so weird when I have it with my gloves on. Yay. Hey, wee. This kind of reminds me of the Halloween brownies we did. That was a great video. Wee. Oh my goodness. Can't, and also these are decorated like a turkey, so this isn't made out of real turkey. So if you're thinking that, that's not how it's made, okay? Let's mix it. Wee. This looks so delicious, I just want to eat it. There's some flour down here. Let's make sure that that is all gone. I think it's all filled. I think it's all full. Oh my god. We need is a plate to fill up with these. Okay, let's open.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god.
No, it's good. Oh. They did it. This looks amazing. This looks delicious already. I'm starving. The decoration one under this one, and then ta-da! Hallelujah! Hallelujah! My mom hates it when I sing that. Hallelujah! This is so fun. This is the body of the turkey. And then we're gonna decorate it with these.
Okay.
I can't wait for you guys to see it at the end. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, we have room for one more, guys. Oh my god, we can do it. Guys, now both of our pans are done, filled with turkeys.
Let's see.
Maybe their faces will grow back after they're gonna be decorated
Nice
by
job,
vanilla frosting, orange icing, and these feathers and these sprinkles. I can't wait. I'm so excited. So yeah, see, this is the stomach, and here are the legs, and that's the bottom.
Let me see again. What is the stomach?
Right here.
What are the legs?
Right there.
Okay, so
Wait,
you're gonna be decorating.
Wait, it matches Sky a bit. And now we're gonna put these turkey cupcakes. Turkey cupcakes in the oven.
And during that she was doing that, Sky was her best company.
Yay!
Let me see, Alaya. Sky was her best company, guys. He always behind Alaya. Okay, watch your hands, Alaya. Vamos.
Yeah, shit. Sky finished decorating, so now we're gonna put these in the oven. Woo!
Okay.
2,000 years later.
Now the cupcakes are cooled and out of the oven, which is a good thing. And now we're gonna decorate them. Woo!
Wow. Yeah, that looks
Okay, let's see.
amazing.
I'm gonna get this one right here because this is like, this one doesn't really need any fixings.
Let me see, what do you have for decorating?
So we have turkey eyes and beaks, feathers, orange icing, which looks delicious, vanilla frosting, which also looks delicious. And the first thing we're gonna do is grab this spoon, right? Let's grab this spoon, right? And then we're gonna cut a circle. This. And then, after that, we take this out. And then we put some vanilla inside. Oh my god! Now we're gonna bury it in here again by just pressing it deeply. Don't worry, my hands are washed. Now, we do is we put this icing all around it, and then we're gonna decorate it with these. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, qué chulo. Ooh. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Let me see.
Let's decorate these. Now it looks all cool and Halloweeny. God.
And for Thanksgiving too.
Yeah, and for Thanksgiving. Okay, now we open this. Oh, these are actually like candies that look like eyes.
It is?
Yeah, these are candies.
For real? I thought it was.
At first I thought they were also plastic, but they're not.
Wow.
Which is actually good. We're gonna eat eyeballs now. And put the.
These look amazing.
Now we added the feathers. Why does it look like it actually looks like a snowman at the same time? because that looks like a carrot.
Let me see.
Now we open one of these.
Let me see. Ay, qué hermoso.
We made a turkey. Woo! Turkey. We made a baby turkey.
Wow.
Turkey. We made a delicious
Beautiful.
turkey. This is the perfect dessert for Thanksgiving. Now we're gonna work on the second one. I'm gonna work on this one.
Amazing.
It's all so good. This kind of looks like Sky a lot.
That's what I was thinking.
I think Sky's getting jealous.
Let me see.
Woo! They got siblings, and they got a lot more siblings than they expected.
They decided to do a good thing like that. People can enjoy it.
This looks like a snowman. Oh my god, it looks like orange snowmen, but then when you add in the feathers, then it looks more like turkeys. Oh no. Oh no. Please don't run out. Please don't run out. At least we got the vanilla for backup.
Mm-hmm. But this is looking amazing, Alaya.
Oh yeah, it is.
You got a great chef, huh?
I'm a great baker.
Mm-hmm. Baker and chef, because every time that you make something, it
When I
can
make
out
something
really good.
new, then it like turns out good.
Mm-hmm.
Aww. This one looks more like Sky now. Sky's getting jealous. Ah! Sky, are you getting jealous? Sky, are you getting jealous? Yeah, you're getting jealous.
Yeah.
Let's speed this up. Starting now. We're speeding this. Oh no. Oh no. Please don't run out. Please. We need.
Guys, we just bought one.
And now we need.
I didn't think it was enough, so for the next time we will be getting like 2 or 3. But at least we made it, and you all know the idea of making those turkey cupcakes. Let's see, what are the eyes?
It's hiding. It's shy. It's camera shy. Just like Sky. Sky, are you camera shy? This one looks like a bed. This one looks like a bed.
Look at this one, guys. Oh. He knows that he will be eating. Hey guys, and this is the result of our
Turkey Cupcakes! And I can't wait to eat.
Whoa, I can't wait either.
I wanna eat the biggest one. I'm gonna eat the biggest one. Wait to try it.
This is amazing. I'm so proud of you, Alaya. This is amazing. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Let me see which one. I can't wait to try one.
So
This is the one that I will be trying. See? It looks amazing, Alaya. You did a really great job. So thank you guys so much for watching our videos today. Our big thanks will be for
Turkey, which is actually turkey.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for all the supports. We see a lot of views from you guys from Turkey. And the next hi is for Jordan. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and our big thanks. For the last video we show up, it is for my country, Dominican Republic. Thank you so much for all the support, guys. Thank you. We love you guys, and we'll see you in our next video. Alaya, you have something to say?
Make sure you subscribe, like, share,
Turn on the notification.
because together we are a big family. Woo! It's guys in the back. He's jealous
Come
now.
on, Sky. Come on here.
Oh, he's being aggressive. Oh, there he is.
This is our pet, Sky. So hope you guys like it. Don't forget to continue supporting us. Bye.